Hello YouTube, this is Tactical Airsoft, and this is the shooting test for the GFM4 from GameFace. And I'm going to be taking shots from different distances, first at 50 feet, 75 feet, and 100 feet. Let's go. Alright, this is from 50 feet, semi-auto. I'm going to shoot 10 shots. That was a little more, but yeah. Alright, now full auto at 50 feet. Okay, now let's go look. Alright, so as you can see from 50 feet, it's pretty accurate. I'm pretty sure almost every bullet I shot hit that target. I wasn't exactly aiming for the center, I was more aiming just at the target. But yeah, that's from 50 feet. Alright, now let's go back to 75 feet. Okay, this is the shooting test from 75 feet. Here we go. Okay, so here we go from 75 feet. And I'm going to shoot 10 bullets in from 75 feet on semi-auto, and then I'm going to shoot like a couple dozen rounds on full auto after. Alright. Alright, now full auto. Okay, so from 75 feet, as you can see, bullets still hit the target, but it was a little less accurate. Went a little to the sides on the box. Brand new target, so yeah, you can tell the difference from 50 and 75 feet. Alright, so now we're going to go drop back to 100 feet and see how we can do from there. Okay, here we go from 100 feet. I'm going to do a couple bullets at semi and a couple dozen at full auto. Here we go. 100 feet and 10 seconds. Okay, so you can see from 100 feet, the gun was not accurate that much, but as you can see, there were about 6 or 7 shots that actually made it on target, which isn't that good for 100 feet. But if you're starting out, this is a pretty good gun, not too expensive, $150. And yeah, that was basically the shooting test for the GFM4 from GameFace. And stay tuned for a shooting test of the CM030 and an unboxing of the UTG M3S. This is Tactical Airsoft, signing out.